It's the Chi Chi Show. It's the Chi Chi Show. Everybody, welcome to the Chi Chi Show. I wasn't taking pictures of you.
The
So,
light switch.
yeah, why do you have a
Yeah, the
string?
light flickered before I had went to bed, and then it wouldn't go off, and then we fixed now. Oh, well, I had to push down on the light switch for the light to go off. So I did this. I got my yo-yo string and tied it around here, and I put it on there. So then the weight would pull the light switch down, so then the power on the light would be off. Because I don't know what happened, but the switch messed up. Because it flickered and it popped.
Well, turn it on. Now turn it off.
And then so I just did this. It took me like 5 hours to accomplish this.
Don't go in the bathroom.
Why?
There's a wasp in there, a big one. I don't know how the wasp got in the bathroom. That's not my job to figure out how it got in there. It's going to be David's job to get it out. It's the Chi Chi Show. It's the Chi Chi Show. Today's lesson is how to turn a light switch off.
Don't mess that up.
I'm not finna touch it. It's the Chi Chi Show. And y'all see he got his pajama top on inside out. I'm going to leave him alone because he just woke up. And it is 2:14 in the afternoon and he just woke up. We done had pizza and everything. And he wanted pizza.
Y'all ate it all?
No, we ain't eat it all. We left you half a crust left. It's the Chi Chi Show. It's the Chi Chi Show. Thank you for joining on the Chi Chi Show.